Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review Rosabella Winery. You should purchase any wines on this platform or not. They are good or not. So basically we talk about brand. The brand is 100% legit and they are very old. And if we talk about problems, so basically there is no problem. Okay, and the brand is really good and they have good reputation on internet, so they are a reputed brand. And we talk about they also have a subscription or membership plans also, but the only problem of the membership, you can't cancel your membership within 3 months. If you want to cancel your membership within 3 months, you have to pay $50 fees. Okay, so this is the thing you need to keep in your mind while taking any kind of membership on this while with this brand. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy or not, yes, definitely you can make a purchase. Now if you have any other problems, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.